Hi, welcome. My name is Coach Paul. I'm a happy member of Tron Thunder community, and I will be creating some tutorial videos that will be shared in the Lightning Academy. I'm awesomely surprised to see that we have such an amazing community that is growing, and today, as of today, and the recording of this specific video, which I will be explaining shortly what it will be about, we are currently sitting on 116,000 members. So amazing growth within the last 5 to 6 months. All right, so today's topic is something that I believe we should be taking very seriously. When you register on a platform, sometimes you find that some people do not get their registration emails with the login details from a company. Now, we are finding this to be happening with Tron Thunder, with certain email providers. So we are offering you a solution. Now, we do find that Gmail is giving the best results in terms of the usability and the functioning and the deliverability of the system emails that are getting sent to you once you register on the Tron Thunder website. So please, I'm going to show you now how to create a Gmail account, how to whitelist Tron Thunder's sender's email address or URL, and then I'm also going to show you how you can create an alias. For instance, if you want to register your family or extended family into Tron Thunder, but you only have that one email account available, or you only want to use that one email account on your device or on your laptop or computer. All right, so let's jump in and let's see how we do this. Right, so welcome to this quick tutorial. I will jump straight into what we are talking about, creating an email on Gmail. The reason being it's so much more user-friendly for what you need it to do. Then I also want to show you later on, after I've created the email address, how to whitelist a sender's email address or domain so that you can receive emails without it going to spam or to promotions folder. All right, so as you can see right now, I'm in one of my original email addresses. So normally what I do is I just click on my profile icon, and then I would go to add another account. Once I do that, then I will just go to create account. I will just say for myself, just put in my details. For this username, I'm just going to say Academy Content Paul. Just create a password. And then I will say next. All right, I'll put in my telephone number. Just put that in. In your date of birth, and then you can specify your gender if you want. Okay, let me just say, rather not say. All right, and then you can just follow the prompts as need be. Obviously, you can read out what you want to, but for the sake of this, I've done this so many times, I'm not going to go through everything. All right, so once your Gmail is created, you can see it doesn't take that long. Now I'm in my Gmail, so there we go. So now, first of all, what you can do is you can go and do these settings there where it says get started. So you can customize your inbox. You can change your profile image, import emails and contacts from another email service provider. And then you can also get the app on your phone. So what I do sometimes like to do is change my profile image straight away. So you can upload a picture from your computer. So in this case, I just need to go to let me just put in any old, let me just use this one for now. So there we go. I'm just using that. I've got so many Gmail accounts, I have to differentiate between my Gmail accounts. So I'll just use the purpley. All right, so yeah, what you want to do is you want to just, obviously, if your picture doesn't fit within the spec of the image, you can just drag those little corners out and include the whole image. And then you can say set as profile image or profile picture. All right, and then it should change. So then the next thing that I like to do now, and this is whitelisting a sender's address. So I just click on the little cog icon at the top next to your profile. Then you just go to see all settings. It just opens up. And then you go to filters and blocked addresses. You click over here and then you say create a new filter. So now what you do is you want to put in Tron Thunder.io, and then you leave everything as is and you say create filter. Then over here, what I would normally do is, depending on the type of business it is that you are in, but in this case, you want to prioritize these emails to your inbox. So what I would normally do is star the address, I star the email that comes in. I can create a label, labeling it Tron Thunder. It's not nested under anything else, which means you might have previous labels and then you nest it under those labels. So not doing that. I am never going to send it to spam, and I'm always going to mark it as important. Now, by doing that, you are doing those four things. You are starring the email so that it comes in. You can find it easily. It's got a label. So it will have a label, Tron Thunder, quick to easy to reference and find. It will never go to spam or promotion, and it will always be marked as important. And I just want to double check something. Yeah, it will never go to spam, so it will always come to the inbox. I just thought there was a setting here that says send to inbox, but okay. All right, so any case, once you've done that now you are able to use this Gmail account or this Gmail address to be able to register on Tron Thunder. And you got to make sure that you don't put any typos in your Gmail address when you register on the Tron Thunder website. If you put typos, it won't work. So you got to make sure when you do now copy your address, you, for instance, go there and you make sure you've got the correct address. You can copy that and you can take it to, for instance, to a notepad. You can take it to a notepad and you can just paste it in there. Okay, somehow it didn't copy it. Okay, but in any case, you get my drift. You can just make sure that you have the correct address with the Gmail correctly spelled .com and no spaces on either side of the address. All right. There's also a way to do an alias. So let me just try that again. Let me just try that again because I do want to show you how to create an alias. Okay, that didn't work so well. Okay, let me see if I can do this copying thing again. All right, so to create an alias, for instance, you want to create one account for yourself, but now you want to create an account for your wife or your husband if you're the lady in the house, and you want to also put your kids, but you are the one with the email address. So you don't have to create multiple email addresses. All you do is now you take that same address. So I'm going to copy it there, and you can just add a plus after the last letter and then say dad. Okay, sorry. Let me just put it lowercase. Dad, if it's the dad. Or you can say mom, if it's mom. Or if you want to put just numbers, you can say +1, or you can say +2 or +3, depending on how. But you can just create aliases like that. And then those emails, you can use those emails, those alias emails to register as well, but the emails will all come to the same address, which is your main email address on the system, Gmail. All right.